Hello, my name is Neza. I'm 11 years old, and today I will show you how to make a ping pong game using Scratch. So, first of all, if you want to do this, go to your web browser and search Scratch. Then you should click the first link. So, now that we're on Scratch, first thing we should do, we need a backdrop or background for the game. So we need to do, let's do just an empty one, blue sky. So now we want a flat platform, but this Scratch does not have a flat platform in the sprites right here. So we need to just change this sprites how it look. So we come to costumes and click the eraser, and now just delete the sprite. Don't worry about the background, it will automatically remove itself like that. So now we want to make the platform where the ball will bounce off of. So we need to do like that. It's a bit too wide, you can adjust it, you can make it bigger like that. There we go. So we have made the platform right here. So it's called Sprite 1. Maybe you can change it. No, we can't. So next we get the ball that actually bounce around. So the ball should be somewhere here. Here it is. Ball. Why is it so laggy? Okay, there, ball. So now we need to make it smaller. Let's make it 80. Nah, let's do 50. Oh, I'm changing the size of the platform. Okay, back to 100. Then 50. It's not 150. So you change the size to 50. Mistakes. So here's the ball. Here's the platform. So we want it to make you bunt or fail when you hit the ground. So we need to make another sprite like that's covering the ground to make it bunt or reset or to make it bunt. I don't know what to say. Let's just take this laptop, I guess. Costumes. So now we again delete the laptop. We can actually just do this. I'm just playing around with it. Okay, now let's delete it. There, it's gone. So now we need to make a different colored one. Let's make it green. So we just make it big. We need to make it big, very big. We need to make it thick. Let me pick it up. Let me take this. Let me do this. What is happening? Huh? Okay, let's just delete it. Where's my mouse? What is? Okay, there's definitely something wrong with my mouse. What is happening? I think I fixed it. Yeah. So we do like that. Make it thick, like that. Then we zoom out. Then we enlarge it like that. Maybe a bit longer, slightly longer, or we could just change the size here in the code. Let's make it 150. it's the biggest it can be. They are perfect. There's the platform, there's the bounce place. So now we need to make the platform move. So we come here to motion. We take a change X, which is the is it left to right or right to left? Left to right, I think. So left to right, change X by 10. But now we want to make it when you press a button. So when space key is pressed, but you don't want the space key, you want the A key. So change X by -10. So when you press the A key, it goes backwards. So now we want it when you press the D key. Then now the D key is pressed. Just go here. Maybe you can just duplicate it. Just right click, duplicate, pop. Then remove the minus. But now let's make it longer. 20. Let's do -20. Yes, perfect. Maybe you can make the platform slightly bigger. Let's do 150. Nah, 130. 120. Yeah, 120 sounds okay. Yeah. Then now we are done. That's all we need for the platform. Now with most of the blocks are going to go on the ball. So first we want the ball to teleport to somewhere once you burned. So let's get some random thing. Let's take, I don't know, this bow tie. Where's the bow tie? Here it is. So you just put the bow tie. 7. We do 7 because the smallest something can be. So there you go. So now we want the ball to bounce off the platform. So it's called stretch on. But we want it to when flag is clicked. When flag is clicked, we want it to what is it again? We want it to move 10. No, we want to repeat. Move 10 steps. No, forever. Yes, forever. You don't just repeat and stop. You want it forever. Forever, yes. So move 10 steps. Move 10 steps. So you can see it's going forever. And want it to bounce off the edge. If on edge, bounce. Boom. Because it's bouncing back, it's bouncing back. So we want that because in ping pong the ball bounces off the wall. So if on edge, bounce forever. If on edge, move 10 steps. If on edge, bounce. What is it again? Sensing. So now we know what you're going to do with that. Then if forever. So if touching color, if touching color, you want to touch the sky. So if touching, let's click this, take this color. If touching color like that, you want it to move 10 steps. And if on edge, bounce. If on edge, where's if on edge bounce? Where is it? Oh, here it is. If on edge bounce, but we don't need that. We need that here, right? But I can't put anything below. If on edge bounce. So now when you click the, okay, so I think you leave it there. Yeah, so it's bouncing and bouncing. Then we also want it that when flag is clicked, we want it to go to the bow tie. When flag is clicked, we want it to go to the bow tie. Yeah, okay. So now, where do we want it to go? We change the direction of it. So it should go down. Yes. Okay. Yeah. So now use another if block. So now when flag is let me delete them when flag is clicked. Now control if, then if sensing, then if touching, if touching sprite 1, which is the platform. So if it's touching the platform, it should turn a different direction. So where's the turn? Turn counterclockwise. Is it clockwise or counterclockwise? It's clockwise, yeah. 87. So if touching sprite 1, but now it's not bouncing, we need to put it in. Yes, perfect. Yeah, so it's bouncing off, but we need it to be slightly faster to make it harder. So 90 steps is too fast. 30 steps. Yeah. Hey, no, this is too fast. 15 steps. Yeah. Bounces. It's bouncing. So now we are done making it bounce. Now we go to laptop. No, we don't go to laptop. Now we make a block. So we make a block. It's called reset. Let us add a input. No, we don't want this. Delete it. Let's make it another reset, because reset. Okay. Define reset. So okay, so when it touches, yes, if block, the if block, if, okay, I'm not done with the else block. So if touching mouse pointer, we don't want the mouse pointer on the laptop, which is this green burnt place. So if touching laptop, then we want we want the go to bow tie. And play sound. Let's take a burnt sound. We need to add the volume. Play sound pop on. Can't hear anything. So let's change the sound, I guess. Bluetooth sounds. Yeah, perfect. So let's go see pop. No, okay, not boing. Maybe we need when it bounces off the platform. So let's we don't have sprite, we don't have sound. Let's do wacky. Yes, wacky. Yeah, that's okay. Yeah, okay, so we got the sound bonk. So we play. No, we want to start the sound. We don't want to play it like for too long. So we want to start sound bonk. Then go to not random position. Go to bow tie. Yes, bow tie. So when you press start, but as you can see it's not working, so we want to change the color. So maybe you can make the color of laptop, which is this kind of green. So now let's try. I want the ball to come down. I want to dodge it. I can't even dodge it, bro. How is it just coming to me? Okay, yes, forgot something. Reset. Now it should work. If touching color, that color, go to bow tie. 1. What's happening? Okay, so if touching color green, go to bow tie, start sound bonk. Okay, so it's not working. Why? Then if touching mouse pointer, let's do what's it again, laptop. If defined reset, what is happening? What? Okay, fine. It's just an if block. If this works, bro, I'll actually crash out. Bro. If touching color, this reset, bro. Because no, think. Why is it not working? Stop it. Think, come on. Oh, maybe it's that. It's supposed to be the forever block, maybe. Yes, that was the problem. Yes, so it's bouncing back. I don't know, it's just going to the same spot. Maybe you need to. Yeah. What just happened there? So you need to wait. It's going a bit too fast. What just happened? Settings, color mode, original. Settings, high contrast. Settings, color mode, original. What? Oh, I know when you can actually click stuff with the right click. Next. So we need to make it weight. I don't know, it looks so weird. Whatever. So we need to make it weight 0. Oh, I just need to type something. It needs to be 1 second. It's too fast. 1 second. Poop. Yeah. So it's bouncing and bouncing. It's going a bit too fast. Let's do 5 steps. That's too slow. 10. Okay, so now you know that the thing is bouncing around. So now what is next? We want to try and make it print you lose when you lose. So now what you want to do So now what you want to do is now come here and make it broadcast a message. I'll tell you why later. So broadcast message 1. Now we go here and get letters. So now we need a U lose. So we need an Y. We need a Y. Let's do with the Y. This one. U Y O Y O U what? L letters lose. You lose. Sorry for the interruption of the video, but now this is another Roblox game. It's called now the Real Grow a Garden. So here, as you can see, my garden is quite big. So it's quite big, and then what the game is about is you get into the game, you come to the seed shop, you go and buy seeds. As you can see here, you can buy whatever seeds as long as they're on stock, and there are new seeds every 5 minutes. Then once you plant the seeds, for example, let me plant this bamboo. Where should I plant it? Yes, let me plant this. Okay, let me plant the carrot because it's way faster. So you see, I've planted 2 carrots. Now we wait for it to grow. Because it's growing, then you can collect. Where the carrots? So you take it. You go to the salesman and you sell the fruit. So I want to sell this. So you get a certain amount of money once you sell something. For example, I'm going to sell these 2 things. Here's $18 or shekels. In this game it's shekels. Then if you want to sell your inventory, like you've collected a bunch of stuff and you don't do one by one, just click the first one. Then it sells everything. As you can see, I had a lot of things in my inventory, so I got 2 million. Here at the bottom is where you check your shekels, how much you have. Then there's also this new event. So this event, every 1 hour there's an event called the Zen event. So the sky will have a bunch of things, some Chinese things, Then this guy will cast something like a ball to come and mutate your fruit, like any fruit. So mutations are like powers for your fruit. For example, now it's raining. See, 50% grows plus 50% growth speed and higher wet fruit chance. So wet fruit chance is now like a superpower for the fruit, which will make it cost more money, which will give you more money, which will make your garden better. So as you can see here, once you like come near a mutated plant, you can see here this giant pine cone is wet, and then there's another one up there. I'm trying to get there. As you can see here, there is another giant pine cone, which is celestial, windstruck, shocked, frozen, and moonlit. So you get mutations and you buy seeds. Now the next thing, as you can see now, every 5 minutes the seed shop restocks. Nothing good on stock. Remember, the rarer the fruit, the rarer it's on stock. Let me just recall right. Okay, so here is the gear shop on the other side of the map. So the gear shop is when you can buy gear to help your garden grow. So they have sprinklers, they are the recall wrench, which allows you to teleport to the gear shop. There's a watering can which speeds up the plant growth, trowel that moves the plant, sprinklers, they are basic, advanced, godly, and master. So there is the gear shop, then here's the pet eggs. So you can sell your pet, you can see how much your pet is worth. Do you have any pets right now? No, I don't. So you can sell your pet. No, just take this one. Yeah, okay. Scarlet Macau. So let's see how much this is. How much is this worth? It is 1 million. But I don't sell it for money. You see, in your garden there's a certain amount of pets you can have. Then if your pet is higher than 30, you can press show me pet info and trade in your pet if it's higher than 30 years old, and you'll get another pet slot. So now the more pets you put, the more slots you get, but it has to be a level higher than 30 or age higher than 30. So I want to do pet info. So here I can trade in my Scarlet Macau, trade in selected pet. You can now equip one more pet at the top there. So now I have 2 extra what's it called? 2 extra pet slots, which means now I have 5 pet slots. So we are done with the egg shop, pet eggs. Oh, I forgot to show you the eggs. So you show me the egg shop, then here you can see what pets are on stock, what eggs are on stock. So here's the common egg. It has a bunch of pets like golden lab, dog, bunny. It's loading here. So there's a certain amount of chance you can get a certain fruit. Pet confusion. Bug egg, the rarest egg. Caterpillar, snail, giant ant, praying mantis. Then rare summer egg, all these. Mythical egg, paradise egg, anything. Yeah, you can actually get anything. So yeah, now we're done with the egg shop. So now we go to the cosmetics. So here you can choose a recipe to craft something. See here, Grand Volcano, you get 2 Ember Lilies, a dinosaur egg, ancient seed pack, and shekels. cactus, pumpkin, horsetail, and shekels. So you do all that to craft something, and you wait a certain amount of time. Then here is now the tools, like the sprinklers. Yes, the sprinklers for your pets and your plants. So pack B, need an anti-bee egg, sunflower, purple dahlia, and honey. So you can see you have 71 honey. So lightning rod, reclaimer, reclaims plants, turning them into seeds. Yeah. So now we go to the cosmetics. Then here is when you can buy decorations. So here you buy decorations like this crate, this log, anything, as long as it's on stock. Oh yeah, alright. So now I already told you about the Zen shop. Now the Zen has its own egg. Let's just walk there. So as you can see, this guy is a Zen shop guy. So you can restock costing shekels. So Zen seed pack, Zen seed, all on the egg. So the tranquil radar, the Zen flare seed. Yeah. Let's see what's on stock now. Alright, nothing really good. Now let me show you my garden now. So I have dragon fruit, rosy delight, giant pinecone, amber lily, Zen flare, serenity, hinomal. This is another serenity, burning bud, amber lily, another big one, so big. Mango, as you can see here. Let me take this huge mango, so big. Collect it. The game will let me collect it. No. Yes. So when you want to collect something, it has to show that outline. So let's go mango. Let's see. Yes, 55 kg. Wow, this thing is big. It's bigger than me. How am I even able to hold it? Yeah. So those are my mangoes, my grapes, paradise petal, my egg. Oh, it's ready. Let's see what we get. Why is it not hatching? What's happening? What is happening? Am I really lagging that much? Did I already get the pet in my inventory? I can't even close the thing. Let me just delete. Okay, now let me hatch it. Let me hatch it. Lag. Sometimes it's so, what? I can't even collect my plants. Okay, yeah. So here's my garden, my giant pine cones. I have 2. My beanstalk. Oh, what did I get? A mouse. I can't even place it in my garden, bro. Okay, now let's see what it does. These 2 arrows you can see how many pets you have in this exact moment. Every 8 minutes 11 seconds gains additional 7681.11 bonus experience. Grants additional 16% increase to player jump height. So I jump higher. I don't know if that's really helpful. So I'll just let it grow, then trade it in. So yeah, that's the end of this Roblox break, and let's get right back to the video. Now you lose. We did an S and an E. So S, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, R, S. you lose is right here. Yeah, okay. So now first of all we arrange the letters. So U L O S. Let's make all of them slightly smaller. Let's make it 70 at 170. 70 70 70 70 70 70 and 70. Then we make it spaced. Use. But let's see, do they have any costume? No, they don't. So now let me show you why I put that broadcast message 1. So when I receive message 1, I show wait 1 second, and then I hide. So I just need to duplicate and put it here. Bro, this is so annoying. I have to do it in every letter. So when I receive message 1, show wait 1 second and hide. That's just the faster way. Okay, it's too slow. Control. Wait 1 second. Show when I receive message 1. 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 And then I receive message 1. Then you show wait 1 second. Wait 1 second. Wait 1 second. Wait 1 second. Then hide. 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 Okay. Now we see. Something's wrong. Something's definitely wrong. Let's put the broadcast here. Just change the placement and it should be perfect. Yes! We have successfully made a ping pong. But now, how do you know how well you've done? So now we come back to here. Now we make a variable, which is a text right here. So let's make a new variable. Show variable when touching color, touching sprite 1. Show variable, my variable. Then when touching color 1, when touching sprite 1, change my variable. Let's rename variable and make it score. So show variable score. Change my variable by my score by 1. Then when it burns, you set score to 0. Let's put it there. You lose. Let's see. Keep on missing. But now you see it's kind of laggy. So score 3. Bounce. So I think each time it gives you 3, I guess. Yeah. We have finally finished the ping-pong game in Scratch. This is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you've learned something, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.